Hello friends, in this video I will be solving GATE 2016 Set A 2 marks questions. So let's begin. In this question we have to find out the rate of change of current through the inductor. The circuit at t equal to 0 minus will be as shown. The inductor will act as a short circuit at steady state. Here is the 2 ohm resistor and the 3 volt battery, and the current flowing through this loop will be IL. So IL of 0 minus is equal to 3 upon 2, which is 1.5 ampere. Now the circuit at t is equal to 0 plus will be as shown. 3 volts over here, 1 ohm resistor. Since IL of 0 plus should be equal to IL of 0 minus, this will be 1.5 ampere current source over here. And then 2 ohm resistor and 3 volt battery. This is plus minus VL. Let the current through this loop be I1 and the current through this loop be I2. So now by KVL in loop 1, we get 3 minus I1 minus VL is equal to 0. Therefore VL is equal to 3 minus I1. Let's name this as the first equation. Now by KVL in loop 2, 3 plus 2I2 minus VL is equal to 0. Therefore VL is equal to 3 plus 2I2. Let's name this as equation 2. From the circuit we can see that I1 minus I2 will be equal to 1.5 ampere. Let's name this as equation number 3. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can write that 3 minus I1 is equal to 3 plus 2I2. Therefore I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 0. Let this be equation number 4. Now I1 minus I2 is 1.5 ampere. On subtracting these two equations, we get 3I2 is equal to minus 0.5 ampere, minus 1.5 ampere. Therefore I2 is equal to minus 0.5 amperes. So VL will be 3 plus 2I2, which is 3 plus 2 into minus 0.5, which is equal to 2 volts. But we know that VL is equal to L di by dt. Therefore at t is equal to 0 plus, L di by dt of 0 plus is equal to 2 volts. Therefore di by dt is equal to 2 upon L, which is 2 upon 1, is equal to 2 ampere per second. Hence this is the answer. In this question we have to find out the node voltage VA. The current I1 in the circuit is equal to VA minus 10 divided by 10. Let this be equation number 1. By KCL at node A, we get VA plus 10 I1 upon 5 plus VA minus 10 upon 10 plus VA by 5 is equal to 5. Therefore VA plus VA minus 10, as 10 I1 is equal to VA minus 10, divided by 5 plus VA minus 10 upon 10 plus VA by 5 is equal to 5. Therefore 2 into 2 VA minus 10 plus VA minus 10 plus 2VA is equal to 50. Now 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7. 7VA is equal to 50 plus 20 plus 10, which is therefore 7VA is equal to 80, and VA is equal to 80 divided by 7, which is equal to 11.42 volts. In this question, we have to find out the peak value of the steady state current through the 1 ohm resistor. Here we can see that omega is equal to 1000. Therefore, XL1, where L1 is this inductor, is equal to omega into L is equal to 10 raised to 3 into 4 into 10 raised to minus 3. Therefore, XL1 is equal to 4 ohms. Now, XC1 is equal to 1 upon omega C, and C1 is 250 microfarad capacitor, is equal to 1 upon 10 raised to 3 into 250 into 10 raised to minus 6, which is equal to 4 ohms again. Now XL2, where L2 is 500 millihenry inductor, is equal to 10 raised to 3 into 500 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to 500 ohms. Now XC2, where C2 is the 2 microfarad capacitor, is equal to 1 upon 10 raised to 3 into 2 into 10 raised to minus 6, which is again 500 ohms. Oh sorry, this should be 10 raised to minus 6. So the given circuit can be modified as shown. Here it is 4 ohm resistor, capacitor and inductor, where inductor is J4 and capacitor is minus J4. Then comes 1 ohm resistor. Now again the capacitor and inductor in parallel, where inductor is plus J500 and capacitor is minus J500. A resistor over here which is 5 ohms, and this is 1 ohm resistor, and the source. The parallel equivalent of the circuit will be ZP1 is equal to J4 into minus J4 upon J4 minus J4, which is equal to infinite, which means the circuit will act as an open circuit as it is providing infinite impedance. Now ZP2 is equal to J500 into minus J500 divided by J500 minus J500, which is again is equal to infinite, and hence this circuit will also act as an open circuit. So the circuit can again be modified as resistor over here, there is an open circuit over here, then a resistor here, again open circuit, and finally the third resistor over here, and this is the source 10 sine 1000t. This is 5 ohm, 1 ohm, 4 ohm resistor, and the current flowing through the circuit is I. The current will flow through this path. Therefore, the peak current I peak is equal to V peak divided by R. Therefore, I peak is equal to 10 upon 4 plus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 1 ampere. In this question, we have to find out the value of R, for which the admittance will become a pure conductance. The admittance of the circuit Y is equal to 1 upon R plus JXL plus 1 upon R minus JXC is equal to R minus JXL upon R square plus XL square on rationalizing, plus R plus JXC upon R square plus XC square. For the admittance to be purely real, the imaginary part must be equal to 0. Therefore minus XL upon R square plus XL square plus XC upon R square plus XC square is equal to 0. Therefore XL upon R square plus XL square is equal to XC upon R square plus XC square. Therefore R square into XL plus XC square into XL is equal to R square into XC plus XL square into XC. Therefore R square into XL minus XC is equal to XL into XC into XL minus XC. So XL minus XC on both sides get cancelled. Therefore R square is equal to omega L into 1 upon omega C. Therefore R is equal to root of L by C. Therefore R is equal to root of 0.02 divided by 100 into 10 raised to minus 6, which is equal to root of 200, which is 14.14 ohms.